Hi, this is Sonia with Artsy Solutions, and welcome to day 90 of hashtag Essence of Time. And it's hosted by Vera of Spill Coffee Crafts. And this is a 100-day project where if you only had 10 minutes of your day, you would see what you could create in that time frame. All right, so the last session we made, we decorated this double-sided, what do you call it? Page decorations, what I'm just gonna call it. So today we're gonna decorate this side. All right, so let's just go ahead and start our 10 minutes. And let's see, I think I'm just gonna use some little pieces of like, just different little bits and bobs and see what I can come up with. And who knows, I might even decorate a page or something, I don't know. Let's see. Now, on one of the other sessions, I was considering using, I had like a cute little transparent owl, but I might actually put that owl on here, and I was going to use that owl on a layout. But instead of using it on a layout, I may actually, let's see if I can find where I put it at first of all. Here it is, cute little thing. Nah, I think it's gonna look better on like a white page or something. We'll see. I might not use it right at this moment. So, but yeah. But I will use this. I'm just gonna just start gluing. If I come up with an idea, I'm just gonna go ahead and stick with it because I'll be here all day if I don't. And okay, so beautiful day. I have some rub ones I considered using. Beautiful day. I think I'll sit out. Let's see. Maybe put it right here. Yeah. All right, let's just glue that on there. And honestly, I might not even take a whole 10 minutes. Because I might not even take a whole 10 minutes because I'm just going, once I get this decorated to my liking, let me turn it a little bit. Let's see. Then I might just call it a day and put this little flower. This is a die cut flower. Glue that one. I might just put this on here. Yeah. I'm really trying to use up my stickers and stuff. Alright. Put that there. And I might just kind of keep it simple because it is just an over the page decoration. It's not an actual layout, you know. So this goes over like that. And you can put it, the good thing is you can put it over top of any page. You know, just different pages. I don't need it on that one, but let's see how it would look over this one. You can move it around within your journal, you know, and bookmark your pages or whatever and stuff like that. I had considered adding a tab, but I don't think so. I think I'm good with this, y'all. It only took me like 4 minutes, and I think I'm done. You're not mad at me that I'm only taking like 4 minutes, but yeah, it didn't take long at all to decorate this. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna leave that as is. So what do you guys think? So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos, blog, and social media sites. And feel free to participate, which we're almost completed it, but still, I mean, you can take 10 minutes of your day anytime, you know. So I'm going to be doing a few more of these, And then, well, because this is day 90, we've got 10 days, guys. So if I did a layout, that might be 1 day, maybe 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 2 more days just for whatever. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching, and happy crafting.